On December 4th, 2013, my son Kicker was diagnosed with cancer. Up until that date, he was super healthy. It turned our entire world upside down. We were told that just in the first year and a half of treatment, he would be admitted inpatient in the hospital for 10 days at a time, at least 10 times. I was so discouraged. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I was going to lose my son or if I'd be able to help him at all. I felt no control.
What's your muscle?
About 3 years after he was originally diagnosed, we recognized that we were able to have a little bit of control. We saw him thrive. We had a whole team of alternative practitioners surround us, along with his oncologist, and they all put him on a plan that really helped support his health. But I learned something really quickly. If I would have only depended on conventional medicine, he wouldn't have had the same outcome. He played sports all through his treatment. He was a healthy little boy with a full head of hair. He wasn't hospitalized once in 3.5 years of treatment. He never needed a transfusion. He didn't even need platelets. My son thrived through cancer. And I recognized immediately the power of having these alternative complementary therapies put into place alongside the chemo and the surgeries and the radiation and all of conventional medicine's approach to cancer. But you know what? Cancer is not a chemotherapy deficiency. It's not a radiation deficiency. It's not a surgery deficiency. Cancer is a deficiency in nutrition. It's a deficiency in the inability to detox. It's also related to gene mutations. These are all things that need to be addressed for the body to truly heal. With medicine, we cut, we poison, and we burn. We get rid of the cancer, but we don't ever address the underlying cause. And that's where the system is failing us. We have to take a little bit of control and learn how to implement nutrition and learn how to teach the body to detox. Learn how to change gene expressions through diet and through detox and essential oils. There's so many important pieces of healing the body alongside conventional care. So a lot of you are thinking that sounds really expensive. All of these alternative therapies typically aren't covered by insurance. Well, that's why I put together this program, because I want you guys to have access at your fingertips, all of the information that we had to help our son thrive. This information would otherwise cost thousands of dollars for you to sit in front of practitioners and then put you on a protocol to help you heal. Cancer does not have to be a death sentence. You or your loved one can thrive through cancer. You can feel well. You can play sports. You can exercise. You can go on dates. You can go on adventures. That can be the reality if you implement some of the things that you will learn through this course. We're going to talk about diet and healthy recipes and things that help your body fight. We're going to talk about the foods to avoid when you're fighting cancer. We're going to teach you how to detox your body. You're going to detox the medications and the dead tumor waste out of your body with easy at-home detox remedies. We're going to talk about supplementation that you can incorporate to help your body detox. We're going to give you recipes and instructions on all the different detox methods that you can do at home. We're going to also teach you how to use therapeutic grade essential oils as a part of your healing process. We're going to tell you how they work, which oils to use for which ailments. We're going to teach you how easy it is to use these essential oils on a regular basis to support all the symptoms that you're dealing with. We're going to talk about cleaning up your environment. It's a really important part of healing, is recognizing all the toxins that you're exposed to on a daily basis. We're going to teach you how to clean out your cabinets with the unhealthy cleaning products and the body products that are full of toxins. We're going to talk about minimizing your exposure to radiation and to electromagnetic fields and frequencies. These are all very doable and very simple, but you need instruction, and that's what we're going to provide. And really important, we're going to cover the topic of self-care and emotional wellness. This is a really big part of healing. Our minds are so powerful, and our belief has a lot to do with our ability to heal. This program is packed full of valuable information to help you live the healthiest, most vibrant life possible. I want my son Kicker's reality to be your reality. He's cancer-free, living the healthiest, strongest, most vibrant life possible. That could be your story.